अल्लाह सुनाना माशाल्लाह शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्लाह जो करम थी मुझे
सर अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम टू ऑल
वालेकुम सलाम।
तस्कीन रिजवी मज़ाहिब जमरुद मनाहिल फातिमा बहुत कुछ पाया है मैंने फ़कत याली कहने से सुभान अल्लाह नूरुल ज़हरा नौशीन जवेरिया आयशा नूर संझा नूर अहमद मेमून बीबी सायरा विविक मोहम्मद हारिस 5 मिनट ॾिसूं दादा सब कनेक्ट थियो तो पोइ इंशाल्लाह वी बिगिन अवर क्लास अस्सलाम वालेकुम कैन यू हियर मी
वालेकुम अस्सलाम सर।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
Thank you, Mola Madad Allah Sayyidina Yusuf Day. Let's begin to discuss a very crucial topic today. Within 2 minutes, we begin. Ladies and gentlemen, you know online classes are done. We are here to facilitate you with latest type of learning. Our main purpose is to decorate your life with the ornaments of knowledge, information. We are always trying to help you out wherever you face difficulties. We are here to solve your problems, especially concerned with the learning and understanding of different subjects. Once again, welcome to this beautiful class. This class works on to give you some basic information, tips and techniques, methods and procedures to develop writing skills. And today we embark upon a very interesting topic that is called essay writing. Essay writing requires techniques, honesty of purpose, and seriousness on your part. Montaigne, 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 Montaigne was a French writer, French philosopher who introduced the term essay for the first time in world. Montaigne. Montaigne was a French philosopher, French writer. He introduced the term essay for the first time in history of world literature, and he is called the father of essay. Baba, mics बंद करे छॾियो. We feel disturbed. माइक बंद करे छॾियो त असां जीअं शुरू कयूं पंहिंजो डिस्कशन. माना तव्हां जेतिरो फाइन मूड हूंदो न, साइलेंस हूंदी, माना ओतिरो मां वधीक सुठे सां ॻाल्हाए सघां थो, कचहरी करे सघां था इंटेलेक्चुअल लेवल ते. Please. Montaigne was a French philosopher, French writer. After his retirement, he wanted to express his personal feelings, personal thoughts. He wanted to collect experiences in the form of writing, so he introduced word essay. Term essay was introduced. Word essay comes from a French word essai, E-S-S-A-I. Word essay comes from French language. Essay जेको word आहे, it comes from a French language word essai, E-S-S-A-I, which means to attempt, कोशिश करण. After French literature, after Montaigne, the term essay traveled from France to England. When it reached in England, English writer Sir Francis Bacon, Francis, Francis, B-A-C-O-N, Bacon. Sir Francis Bacon adopted that format of writing and wrote extensively on essay writing. He wrote many essays. Montaigne's essays begin with on, and Sir Francis Bacon's essay begin with of, like of studies, of marriage and single life, of truth, of revenge, of solitude. So these are the essays. These were the two great names I shared with you in order to excite your interest, to tell you what is being done in the field of essay writing. So here in this class, we are not going to discuss the techniques and tips which are taught to the students of PCS and CSS candidates. We are here learning the basics of essay writing. Essay is a type of composition in which writer personal feelings, thoughts, and judgments are recorded. Writer tries to express his observation, his bent of mind, his knowledge, his experiences, what he sees about life, what he feels about life, and different aspects of human life. Essays are written on different topics, on humans, on animals, on birds, on mountains, on politics, life, love, music. So a wide range of topics is available for essay writing. I have some basic information to be shared with you. Essay is a composition in which the writer states his knowledge of and gives his opinions about a certain topic. An essay becomes a test. An essay becomes a test not only of knowledge but of thought and imagination. It reflects the writer's personality as well as his or her ability to weave disintegrated bits of information into a thread of unity. Listen. Essay writing बुनियादी तौर ते तव्हां जे ज़हानत, तव्हां जी ॼाण, तव्हां जी मालूमात ऐं लिखण जो इम्तिहान आहे, जंहिंजे ज़रिए तव्हां मुख़्तलिफ़ क़िस्म जी इंफॉर्मेशन जेका आहे तव्हांजे माइंड में स्टोर आहे, सेव थियल आहे, उनखे गॾे सेट करे सुहिणो ठाहे पेश कयो था in a beautiful format, in a beautiful way. Essentials of a good essay. हिकिड़े सुठे essay में छा छा हुजणु खपे, क्या क्या होना चाहिए एक अच्छे essay में? Number one, an essay must be a unity developing one theme with a definite purpose. As a paragraph is a collection of different and accurate sentences, similarly, an essay is a collection of suitable, nice, and well-formed paragraphs. And all paragraphs must have coherence and unity. If fingers are united, one finger comes, then second appears like this, there is unity in 5 fingers. So all paragraphs of an essay must have combination, thought process, and similarity of unity. The essay should follow a certain ordered line of thought and come to a suitable conclusion. Your essay should begin with striking, fascinating, or serious thought. It has body, introduction, conclusion, and it must reach a suitable conclusion. The matter, mawad, material. Here matter means ideas, facts and figures should be arranged into an attractive design. जेके बि तव्हां डेटा इन में ॾियो था, facts and figures ॾियो था, they must be arranged in a nice way, in a beautiful way, so that when the examiner means teacher check under, when the examiner reads your essay, he must be fascinated. His attention must be captured properly. Then comes the presentation of the matter should be clear. You started writing, you gathered facts and figures. Now, how do you write? How do you perform? How do you present? How do you illustrate your thoughts beautifully? This is called presentation. The presentation of the matter should be clear. Language and sentence construction should be simple and lucid. Whatever you are writing, it must be clear, logical, and simple, and understandable. It should not be tough. High flown vocabulary, difficult terminology should not be used. Simple language, clear thought can get big marks. Matter is very important, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, students. Matter is very important. An important component of an essay is matter. Hundreds of students in CSS fail because of good essay. Essay is a subject. An essay could be taught in 6 months, 4 months, 3 months. CSS जेका अकेडमी आहे उते essay writing जे लाइ माण्हू 6 महीना 3 महीना ॿार पढ़ंदा आहिनि जेके CPC जी तयारी कंदा आहिनि. एॾो हिकिड़ो वास्ट सब्जेक्ट आहे, पर असां बुनियादी शयूं सेखारियूं था तव्हांखे जीअं तव्हांखे ख़बर पए how to write. An important component of an essay is matter. Each subject requires something to be said about. Lack of matter is serious difficulty and you must prepare yourself well before the examination to overcome. Extensive reading is essential for you to become competent in writing essays. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, if we do not present facts and figures and good ideas in our essay cannot secure marks. Our essay cannot gather a score. Our essay cannot attract the attention of the reader, examiner, or teacher, or professor. So, present matter. उनमें जेको मवाद तव्हां पेश कयो था उहो सुठो हुजे, ॾाप हुजे, उनमें विज़डम हुजे. And then comes outline. Outline is basically, Baba mic off kyo, Baloch Saiba mic off kyo. Please mic off kyo. Umma Baloch mic off kyo Baba. Miss Uma Baloch mic off करे छॾियो. Then comes outline. What is outline? Outline is a sketch. Before writing an essay, you just give 4-5 points. Before writing essay, you give outline. That outline matters a lot, especially in CSS and PCS. Comprehensive, to the point, meaningful outline gets marks. So here I give you some more information on essay writing. There are 3 parts of an essay. Introduction, body, and conclusion. There are 3 parts of an essay: introduction, body, and conclusion. Introduction is called the face of the essay. An introduction is called the face of the essay. Body of the essay is called development of thought. An essay has 3 parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. Introduction is called the face of the essay. Body of the essay is called development of the essay. And conclusion is called legs of essay. हाणे फेस माना जी इंसान जो फेस आहे, तव्हां पंहिंजो पाण खे इन ऑर्डर टू कीप योरसेल्फ कंफर्टेबल तव्हां छा कंदा आहियो? तव्हां पंहिंजी शख़्सियत खे संवारींदा आहियो. यू अप्लाई क्रीम, पाउडर, लोशन टू डेकोरेट योर पर्सनैलिटी. फेस खे तव्हां मुख़्तलिफ़ क्रीम हणंदा. पोइ ही जेका तव्हांजी बॉडी आहे, दैट इज़ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द एसे. देन द लोअर पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी. चेहरो ख़ूबसूरत हुजे ऐं जेको ही स्ट्रक्चर आहे उहो सुठो न हुजे ऐं कमज़ोर लेग्स हुजनि, जंघूं हुजनि कमज़ोर, वीक हुजनि, इंसान हली सघंदो, माण्हुनि खे अट्रैक्ट करे सघंदो. सिमिलरली we are going to give you some basic information. The beginning or introduction, we explain all these 3 parts. Number 1, introduction. Introduction must be effective but brief. The first line should be explanatory of the idea without the headings help. Introduction brief huje but meaningful huje, comprehensive huje. The first line should be very attractive, fascinating, captivating line should be given. The beginning may be a statement of a fact or definition or explanation of the title, some details too. जेको introduction आहे, it must be comprehensive. You can begin your essay with a beautiful quotation. You can begin your essay with an exciting thought, exciting idea, exciting line. This is called the introduction. It is the face of the essay. If someone's face is not beautiful, our human eyes focus on face. Then comes the body of the essay or development of thought. The body of the essay should consist of paragraphs dealing with different aspects of the topic. Now, जो paragraph आए, suppose you are writing an essay on politics, you are writing an essay on human psychology, you are writing an essay on accounting, on financial accounting, on management, on English, music. There are different paragraphs. Please mic बंद करे चलो. All paragraphs are combined together. Ada please बंद करे चलो.
नहीं मां बास
ॾिसो असां पंहिंजा समूरा कमकार छॾे तव्हांखे पढ़ायूं था वेठा, तव्हां सां ॻाल्हायूं था वेठा, तव्हां साइलेंस त मेंटेन कयो न बाबा. कोई माण्हू तव्हांखे टाइम ॾिए थो, दुनिया में वधि में वधि कीमती टाइम आहे. असां पंहिंजो समूरो टाइम कटे करे तव्हांखे हिकिड़ो कलाकु ॾियूं था, उन कलाक जो क़दुरु त कयो न बाबा. तव्हांखे पढ़ायूं था, तव्हांजी ज़िंदगी ठाहियूं था. सॼी दुनिया कोविड-19 जो शिकार आहे. वी आर हेल्पिंग यू, वी आर गाइडिंग यू टू लीड अ बेटर एंड ब्यूटीफुल लाइफ, टू सेट योर करियर, टू सेट योर लाइफ. Anyway, we are going to discuss the body of the essay or development of thought. Essay should consist of paragraphs dealing with different aspects of the topic. Honey, there are different paragraphs. Paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different times. And all paragraphs must be united or connected properly. There should not be disunity. There should be coherence. There should be similarity of connection. Due weight should be given to each part in order to avoid an unbalanced effect. घणी पटराण नाहे करणी, meaningful, beautiful, comprehensive, constructive thought ॾिनो आहे हुन में. Generally, a paragraph may deal with one aspect. However, some aspects may require more than one paragraph. ॾिसो था, हिकिड़ो सपोज कयो तव्हां एसी था लिखो शाह अब्दुल लतीफ़ यूनिवर्सिटी ते. उन में हिकिड़ो पैराग्राफ इहो बि ईंदो त डिपार्टमेंट्स ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी, ॿियो हूंदो हिस्ट्री ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी, टी हूंदी डेवलपमेंट एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी. जेके मुख़्तलिफ़ पैराग्राफ्स हूंदा उहे पाण में कनेक्टेड हूंदा. ऑल हैव लिंक्स टुगेदर. ॿियो पैराग्राफ हूंदो स्पोर्ट्स ते, टीचर्स ते, फैकल्टी ते, इंस्टीट्यूशंस ते. So all have similar links. Each paragraph should have unity and coherence, and the paragraphs in combination should contribute to the effect of unity and coherence of the essay as a whole. सभिनी पैराग्राफ्स में हिकिड़े क़िस्म जी यूनिटी हुजे, गॾियल हुजनि, ॻंढियल हुजनि, कनेक्टेड हुजनि. In order to achieve unity, you must have a clear purpose. तव्हांजी स्टडी हूंदी, एक्सटेंसिव रीडिंग हूंदी, तव्हां शयुनि खे सुठे तरीक़े सां सम्झी सघो था, गॾे सघो था. यू कैन डू दिस. Sentences should deal with details and ideas relevant to the paragraph topic. Whatever the sentences are given in paragraph, all should contain or carry on the same thought, subject, and ideas. No, not necessary. All should be given. Then comes conclusion. Conclusion must be very effective. An abrupt or feeble ending may mar the effect of the essay. कॾहिं कॾहिं असां अहिड़ो कंक्लूजन ॾींदा आहियूं जेको सुटेबल न हूंदो आहे, कमज़ोर हूंदो आहे, उहो एसे जी सॼी ख़ूबसूरती खे ड्राहे छॾींदो आहे, बिगाड़े छॾींदो आहे. Conclusion should give a brief description of what you have said in the development of thought. Body, introduction, body, and conclusion. How do you get mastery? Ada Mansoor, mic बंद क्यों? मां तव्हांखे पढ़ाईंदो, तव्हां बाबा पढ़ंदो त तव्हांजी ज़िंदगी ठहंदी. मूंखे चए मूंखे नौकरी आहे. I am doing PhD. I'll be progressing. Seriousness जेका आहे न already it's very important. माइक बंद करे छॾियो मंसूर अमन. तव्हांखे ख़बर नथी पए तव्हांजी माइक हले थी पई. Now the question comes, how do you get mastery over essay writing? Essay writing is a technique that can be acquired, that can be learned. Cooking can be learned, dance can be learned, singing can be learned, swimming can be learned, politics can be learned, news reading can be learned, fashion can be learned, personal grooming can be learned. Similarly, essay writing can be learned with practice, with extensive reading. Its second part is remaining. I will begin tomorrow, okay, in which we will discuss types of essays and their connection. Thank you so much. If you have any question, you can ask me. बाबा को सवाल है तो you can ask me. If you have any question, you can ask.
Sir, sir,
जी पूछो प्लीज.
sir, essay का part 3 in body introduction number 3 ते sir लफ्ज केड़ो ॿुधायो जो तब
Conclusion, CONCLUSION, conclusion. पुजाणी.
meaning sir.
Conclusion बाबा, conclusion. ऐसे जी शुरुआत, ऐसे जो विचो हिस्सो, and ऐसे जी पुजाणी. Conclusion, CONCLUSION, conclusion. Any other question? Ramsha Kasmi is asking what the name? Francis Bacon. FRANCIS. Francis BACN Bacon. Francis Bacon is called the father of English essay. Montaigne, Montaigne. Montaigne is called the father of essay. Montaigne is called the father of essay. Sir Francis Bacon is called the father of English essay. You are invited to ask questions. Adil Aman,
Sir?
Habibullah, जी बाबा.
सर ये begin with on और begin with off ये थोड़ा डिफरेंट समझा दें.
Your name, please.
सर हमना.
हमना. हमना. जो मॉन्टेन राइटर थे, उन्होंने अपना नया स्टाइल इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया. उन्होंने कहा कि मेरी दुनिया में डिफरेंट पहचान हो जो किसी के हिस्से में ना आई हो. उन्होंने अपने हर एसे की शुरुआत लफ्ज आन से की. ऑन उन्होंने आगे रखा. लाइक कैनिबॉल. कैनिबॉल इज अ वर्ड, आदमखोर. उसने साथ रखा आन कैनिबल. तो उसकी जो भी एसेज हैं वो आन के साथ शुरू हो जाती हैं. मॉन्टेन की पहचान है ये. दूसरा, फ्रांसिस बेकन, जिसको हम फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश ऐसे कहते हैं, उसने कहा कि मेरी पहचान भी डिफरेंट हो दुनिया में. उसने जो भी ऐसे लिखा उसके साथ ऑफ लगा. ओ ऑफ, सिंगल, ओ डबल एफ नहीं, ऑफ. ऑफ मैरिज एंड सिंगल लाइफ, ऑफ स्टडीज, ओ एफ, ऑफ STUD स्टडीज, ऑफ रिवेंज, ऑफ सॉलिट्यूड, ऑफ ट्रुथ, लाइक दिस. एनीबॉडी एल्स?
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
Sir,
हमना की मीनिंग क्या है? हमना, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ योर नेम?
सर ब्लूबेरी ऑफ जन्नत.
ब्लूबेरी ऑफ जन्नत, यानी जन्नत जो नीरो बेर.
जी सर.
बिस्मिल्लाह, बिस्मिल्लाह. नेक्स्ट.
excuse me, sir.
Sir, would you upload this? Yes, I will upload this lecture very soon. Yes.
Sir,
जी बाबा, नालो तो बताओ. Your name, please.
Adil Aman, sir.
जी आदिल, पूछो बाबा.
Sir, there is a question, sir.
Mhm.
Francis Bacon is father of English essay,
Yes.
and Montaigne the father of essay. Sir,
Essay,
there is
yes.
difference between.
Okay.
So, what is difference?
Okay. Share. Mr. Adil Aman. Montaigne was the person who introduced essay writing in world literature. Montaigne वो माण्हू हुयो जंहिं एसे जो बुनियाद रखियो, शुरूआत कई. ठीक है. हुन दुनिया में पहिरियों एसे कंहिं लिखियो, Montaigne. He was a French
Yes, sir.
writer, French philosopher. He is called the father of essay. बस हुन दुनिया में फादर. हाणे जेको इंग्लिश एसे जेको पाण अंग्रेजी सां ॻाल्हायूं न, स्पेनिश कोन था ॻाल्हायूं,
Yes,
पाण
sir.
अंग्रेजी ॻाल्हायूं था. त जेको अंग्रेजी जो फादर ऑफ एसे आहे उहो फ्रांसिस बेकन आहे. छाजे करे? He wrote many books of essays and his essays are very famous. Benazir Bhutto Sahiba also liked his essays. So he earned great name, respect and applause in English. That's why he is called the father of English essay. Montaigne wrote in French and he wrote in English. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anybody else? Please ask. Please. Just we have left 5 minutes of our time. Po banthi bindu 5 minutes में पूछी बटो. आवाज समझ में न थो जी बाबा. प्लीज कौन बात कर रहा है? आवाज समझ में न थो जी. I'm going to upload this class very soon. Within 30 minutes, inshallah ta'ala, 40 minutes, I upload this class. Or within 1 hour. You are very dear to me. All students of business department are very dear to me. I received your assignments. Those students who did not submit their assignments because of some problems, they contacted me. They should submit their assignments. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा,
Yes,
या
sir.
तो assignment थी वे. Listen, tomorrow is our meeting about online examination. Clear?
Okay,
सर
sir.
मैंने
सर
कल
ये नोट्स शेयर कर
thank you
देना।
Manail, you I received this. So ilahi students and when there were 300 students, I cannot respond every student at a time, so I received. All right, those whom I have responded and those whom have not responded, don't worry, all are my own. I respect everybody. So we will conduct tomorrow class 2. Hizbullah Vetua, is Hizbullah
sir.
here?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
where is Hizbullah? Hizbullah, how are you? Hizbullah?
Sir, fine, alhamdulillah.
हाँ मूसा रात रात तो कजो बेटा वरी ॾिसूं था क्लास पढ़ रखंदासीं ठीक है सुभाणे
Yes,
रखंदासीं
sir.
टाइमिंग थी सके तो लेट हुजे इवनिंग में हुजे थी सके तो Salma Umar Saiba, sir,
sir.
your opinion on your assignment was good. Your assignment was good, alhamdulillah.
ठीक है sir.
Okay, all right. We have got 3 minutes. If you have any question, ask me. Zamrud, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Are you all right? Good. Manail, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Mubin, Gilal, Aisha, Noor, how are you? All are okay? Sanja Kanjwani. Sanja, how are you?
जी sir, fine sir.
Are you all right?
Yes sir, alhamdulillah.
God bless you with more happiness. Abdul Khalik, Afzal Khan Sumro, Mr. Mir Daud, everybody, Adil Ahman, Aradil, Habibullah. All right. Bye. See you tomorrow with new vigor. Those who have not yet subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it and you will find more video, more information. After your semester, I will upload various videos on career counseling. Students face a big problem in selection of their career. So I'll guide you on my YouTube channel that how to select a suitable option, suitable career, and how to stick to it, how to get it. Bye. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.